T-minus 30 minutes for the 3 peaks challenge. Do this.
Let's go.
Checking my vital signs, drawing my battle lines, going to war again. Feeling the rhythm inside of my chest, all I need is just a pen. I know I was born for this. I know I was born for this. Don't care for the critics, my words are like physics, a force that they can't stop. They just don't get it, I think they forget I'm not done till I'm on top. I know I was born for this. I know I was born for this. Who learn to love the pain. We come from different places, but have the same name. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. We are the broken ones who chose to spark a flame. Watch as our fire rages, our hearts are never tame. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. I've struggled for years and through all of the tears I faced the doubts I hide. I never gave in to my fears deep within cause I heard my voice inside. I know I was born for this. I know I was born for this. I will never lose my voice if I cut out all the noise. I know I was born for this. I know I was born for this. But have the same name. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. We are the broken ones who chose to spark a flame. Watch as our fire rages, our hearts are never tame. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. For someone like me to know you're not alone. The moves that you make, yeah, that come up mistakes. Don't ever lose your hope. Just know you were born for this. Just know you were born for this. We are the warriors who learn to love the pain. We come from different places, but have the same name. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. We are the broken ones who chose to spark the flame. Watch as our fire rages, our hearts are never tame. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this.
And lecky bills, being comfortable and that nobody told her. Cause she never reached the stage where her husband bored her, or she lied about her age. He's compromising, at least he's got a job for life. Get born, get school, get job, get car, pay tax and find a wife. And on that note, it ain't gonna come too soon if you're not living on the edge. You take up too much room. I could have been a contender, I could have been a someone. Got up in the rat race, I'm feeling like no one. Could have been me in the papers, the money and the girls. I could have been the heavyweight champion of the world. At school he used to dream about being Bruce Lee, with the need for chops and a man at top in all that great you see, and so he gave up. felt Empress Dan. As near as he got to China was a week in Canvas. I could have been a contender, I could have been a someone, caught up in the rat race, I'm feeling like no one. Could have been me in the papers, money in the girls, I could have been the heavyweight champion of the world. I could have been a contender, could have been a someone, caught up in the rat race, I'm feeling like no one. Been me in the papers, money in the girls, I could have been the heavyweight champion of the world. It's boring, it might put you to sleep. It's the same old routine, repeating week after week. And you work harder, you're told that you must. And you must earn a living, and you must earn a crust. And be like everybody else, be like everybody else, be like everybody else. Just be like everybody else, be like everybody else. Just be like everybody else, be like everybody else. Just be like everybody else, be like everybody else. Just be like everybody else, just be like everybody else. Just be like everybody else, just be like everybody else. Just be like everybody else, just be like everybody else. Just be like everybody else. I could have been a contender, I could have been a someone, caught up in the rat race, I'm feeling like no one. Could have been me in the papers, money in the girls, I could have been the heavyweight champion of the world. I could have been a contender, could have been a someone, caught up in the rat race, I'm feeling like no one. Been me in the papers, money in the girls, I could have been the heavyweight champion of the world.
There's a moment in your bones when the fire takes over. Blood is running, heart is pumping as the battle gets closer. They can say what they want now, 'cause we'll be screaming out, we can be heroes everywhere we go. We can have all that we ever want. Swinging like Ali, knocking out bodies, standing on top like a champion. Keep your silver, give me that gold. You'll remember when I say we can be heroes everywhere we go. Keeping us down is impossible, 'cause we're unstoppable. Oh, we're unstoppable. Oh, we're unstoppable. Every spotlight, every soundbite, everybody who gave up is just a fuel for wanting him more than anybody again.